Chairman, with that, or you refuse to answer?
Yes.
You refuse? Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt Colonel Padilla.
So pwede talagang mangyari yung istorya ni Jimmy La Forteza na tinawagan siya ni Garma, inilapit o binigay sa iyo yung cellphone niya para makausap mo si Colonel Garma. That is very possible. Pero yung tatawagan kanya, malabo. Hindi ba? Would you agree? Superintendent Padilla? Would you agree? Ano yung tango mo? Sagutin mo. Would you agree? Nandiyan ang mikropono.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, yan. You answer when we ask you questions. Otherwise, I will cite you in contempt.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Superintendent Padilla, Colonel Padilla, what can you say about it? Why did you allow the two PDLs to be put in the ICA? Ginawa niya pang force multiplier. Oh, you answer.
After nung Bartolina, after na nung investigation po yun, matagal, mga more than a month siguro.
No, sabi mo pa more than a month, sabi mo to 3 months. But there is a new case filed against them for murder and they, for homicide, and they admitted it. Ang tanong ko dito, bakit nilagay nyo sa ICA? In your discretion. And that's your authority. Sagot. Or you refuse to answer?
Yes.
You refuse? Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt Colonel Padilla in violation of our internal rules, Section 11, Paragraph C. Mr. Chairman, refusal or evasive to answer questions without legal excuse. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion to cite in contempt Superintendent Padilla for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of our rules of procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. Duly seconded. Hearing no objection, the motion is approved. You are now cited in contempt, Superintendent Padilla.
May I respectfully move that Superintendent Padilla be detained for 30 days? So move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to detain Superintendent Padilla for 30 days.
Second motion.
Duly seconded. Hearing no objection, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Acop.
may I also move that he be detained at the Bicutan City Jail simply because our detention center is presently full. So move,
Second, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion to detain Superintendent Padilla at Bicutan. And duly seconded. Hearing no objection, the motion is approved.
Or you refuse to answer?